Washington, President Joe Biden will use the July 4th weekend to tout America's independence from COVID-19, even as he falls short of his vaccination goal, with pockets of the country still largely unvaccinated and a new, more contagious variant quickly spreading. It will take Biden another month to meet his goal, and the White House is already looking ahead, assessing the next challenge the pandemic will bring and recalibrating expectations. White House officials acknowledged they have more work to do, but said the holiday weekend is also a time to celebrate the progress the country has made. White House COVID coordinator Jeffrey Zients said the country would remain on a wartime footing and redouble efforts to get more Americans vaccinated. The American people should be proud of the work we have collectively done, and we want to recognize that progress and work on July 4th, Zients said Thursday. People who are vaccinated have a high degree of protection, and those who are not vaccinated are at risk. At the White House, the July 4th holiday will appear much like it did before the pandemic, with an event for about 1,000 essential workers and military families on the lawn and the traditional fireworks on the National Mall, with no COVID-19 restrictions being enforced. Biden also traveled Saturday to a Michigan tourist destination packed for the holiday weekend. The nation looks differently than even Biden predicted a few months ago. In March, while marking 1 year after the lockdown and as vaccines were becoming increasingly available, Biden said there was a good chance that people would be able to get together in small groups for backyard barbecues to celebrate Independence Day, but not large events, and cautioned progress could stall with new variants. Since then, though, an additional 117 million people have gotten at least partially vaccinated, and cases have dropped from more than 60,000 a day to just under 12,000, thanks to widespread vaccine availability. But the White House isn't ignoring warning signs that progress could stall. Cases increased 10% in the past week as the new hyper-transmissible Delta variant, first identified in India, now accounts for more than a quarter of cases in the US and will likely be the dominant strain here soon, said CDC Director Rochelle Walensky on Thursday. It is far too soon to declare mission accomplished, said Celine Gounder, an infectious disease specialist who helped advise Biden's transition on COVID-19. In communities with low vaccination rates, transmission remains as high as it was at the peak in January. Our goal should be to make sure we've vaccinated the most vulnerable among us, and we're just not there yet. Biden will miss his goal of getting 70% of adults at least partially vaccinated by July 4th, with 67% having gotten at least their first dose, according to CDC data.